Welcome to Session 1 of GED Perimeter Mastery. Before any formula, we answer one question. What is perimeter really? Here's the whole idea in a single sentence. Perimeter is the distance around the outside of a shape. Get that picture in your head, and every formula in this course becomes a shortcut that makes sense instead of a rule you memorize. Imagine a shape drawn on the floor. You start at one corner and walk along the outside edge, never cutting across, until you arrive back exactly where you began. The length of that walk is the perimeter. That's it. It's a closed path, a complete trip around the boundary that ends where it started. So, let's take the walk. This rectangle has sides 5, 3, 5, and 3. Start at this corner and go 5 along the top, 3 down the side, 5 back across the bottom, 3 up, and we're home. Now add up what we walked. 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 is 16 units. Here's why that matters. This next shape is nothing special, just a four-sided figure with sides 7, 4, 6, and 5 centimeters. No neat formula fits it, but we don't need one. Walk the boundary and add. 7 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5 is 22 centimeters. 4 sides in the picture, 4 add-ins in the calculation. That little check catches most mistakes before they happen. Now, the boundary is the dividing line between inside and outside, and only what sits on that line counts. Shade the interior. The perimeter doesn't change at all. Divide the inside into rooms. Those interior lines are not exterior edges, so they add nothing. Perimeter cares about the outside path and nothing else. Adding lengths gives you another length. So if every side is measured in meters, the perimeter is measured in meters. Plain units, not square units. Writing 22 meters squared would describe a surface, and we didn't measure a surface. Let's put that to work on the classic trap. A rectangle is 9 by 3. One student answers 27. Where did that come from? 9 times 3. That's multiplying, which measures the interior. Another answers 12. 1 length plus 1 width, only half the trip. The complete boundary is 9 plus 3 plus 9 plus 3, which is 24. Connect every wrong answer to the exact wrong action. Context can also change the path. A fence around a 30 by 20 foot yard follows the whole boundary. That's 100 feet. But if a 4-foot gate needs no fencing, subtract it. 96 feet of fence. The geometry gives you the complete boundary. The wording tells you which parts actually need material. So here's your decision rule for test day. Ask yourself, could a rope laid along this path represent what they're asking for? Fence, trim, border, edging, the distance around. If a rope fits, it's perimeter. Your turn. A 4-sided figure has sides 7, 4, 7, and 4. What's the perimeter? Take a second. Add all 4 sides. 7 plus 4 plus 7 plus 4 is 22 units. And if you said units, not square units, that habit is already forming. Let's recap. Perimeter is the total length of a closed boundary, the walk around the outside. Add every exterior side exactly once. Interior lines never count. And the answer always wears a plain linear unit. Nicely done on Session 1. You now know what perimeter actually means, and that meaning holds up on every shape ahead. Next session, we put it to work on rectangles and squares. See you there.